In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started investing with Robinhood on your computer. Whether you're brand new to investing or just looking for a clear walkthrough of the process, this guide will help you use Robinhood with confidence. Let's start by logging into your Robinhood account on your PC. Head over to the Robinhood website in your preferred browser and enter your login details. Make sure you're on a secure connection and always double check the website URL to avoid any phishing attempts or scams. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is fund your account. Remember, when you're first starting out, it's important to only deposit money you can afford to lose. Don't stretch beyond your means or invest more than you're comfortable with. To make a deposit, navigate to the menu and find the Transfers tab. Once there, select Transfer Money, then follow the prompts to deposit funds from your linked bank account. Just take things slow, especially at the beginning. Before making any investment decisions, it's crucial to learn about what you're buying. Use the search function to look up any stock that interests you. After clicking on it, spend a few moments reading the About section to understand what the company does and how it makes its money. Then, check the Earnings section for a snapshot of the company's recent financial performance. This background knowledge will help you make more informed decisions, rather than just following hype or trends. When you're ready to purchase, consider using a limit order instead of a market order. Limit orders allow you to set the exact price you're willing to pay or receive for a stock, giving you more control over your trades. To do this, click Buy, then select Order Types and choose Limit. From there, enter the price at which you're comfortable buying or selling. This approach can protect you from unexpected price swings and help you stick to your strategy. If you notice the stock price dip after you buy, try not to panic. The stock market naturally goes up and down in the short term. Instead of reacting to every drop, take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Click on the 1Y or 5Y charts to see how the stock or market has trended over the years. This long-term perspective can offer reassurance during periods of volatility. Learning doesn't stop after your first buy. Make a habit of reading the latest news, checking earnings reports, and staying updated on broader market trends before making any new investments. Staying informed will help you make better choices and adapt your strategy as needed. Finally, keep an eye on your overall portfolio. It's a good idea to review your investments at least once a week. Head over to the Account tab, then select Investing. Take some time to review your gains and losses and make adjustments to your portfolio allocation if necessary. This consistent review habit will help you spot issues early and keep your investing on track. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to investing with Robinhood on your PC. By starting small, learning as you go, and using smart investing tools, you can set yourself up for a more confident investing journey. Thanks for watching and happy investing.